Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Gurdwara Sahib in Plymouth, Michigan, and it was a true honor. I got to speak to the youth here that were present today, along with some of their parents, some of the adult volunteers, some of the teachers, and it was a very heartfelt experience. The main focus today dealt with anti-bullying and seeing people for their heart before anything else first, just like we choose to see our best friend. And more than that, like the shirt says, one race human, we see everybody around us as human beings, no matter their faith beliefs, their cultural background, how they're born, if they have a physical disability or something mental, whatever that difference may be, that we still choose to show that same level of respect and compassion that you would show your own best friend, to treat them like they're worth everything, no matter what. And once we are able to let that kindness fully enter our heart, we can turn that into this. And one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves. And to know that we all have this power to be that light to someone else's heart is beautiful. And it's very vital that we do choose this type of kindness, because this planet truly needs it. And so to start to instill that and share my heart with everybody today, it was a true miracle. And that's something that I also talk about, is the M on all of our palms, that we have the M for miracle and W upside down. That's for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it. And that once we understand that, we go out and be the light to someone else's heart and show them the same kindness that was shown to us, that we become these healed people to go and help heal other people. So I appreciate the opportunity to address everyone here today, and look forward to coming back again to share my heart again. But for now, thanks for touching my heart, and hope to see you again soon. Much love. Peace.